basic. Both hands up by 3. Take the lady's body weight on 5, push her a full circle, 6 and 7. Go under with your right hand, 1, 2, place it on her right elbow, switch and grab with your left, round with the right and throw and catch. Okay, that was the slow-mo. Let's do it regular. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, place, around 6, throw, catch and turn, 2, over the head, 5, she's touching you on the body, and 1, 2, 3, crossbody lead, leading the shoulder. Let the lady go forward, push her back on 3, exchange positions, 7. Crossbody lead with the full lady's turn, keep the left hand down, whoa, do her a nice easy basic with the right turn, 5, 6, 7, hand over, 1, hand over, 3, pull away on 5, 6, 7, London Bridge. 1, to the right, guys, keep the connection so she comes over, go under again, lead another crossbody lead with the shoulder, 1, 2, 3, stop her on 5, turn her on 6 and 7, you can actually have a nice little turn too, and finish it off with an ending turn, and that's it. Now one time, non-stop, a little bit faster speed, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, stop, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, turn, and that's it.